Hello folks, and welcome to Sun Codex. Today kind of a different video because I want to show you how to replace the ear pads for your Beyerdynamic headphones. I'm talking about the DT series, so DT 7070 Pro, 880 Pro and 990 Pro. The first thing we want to do is to stretch the headband like so. Now we can bend the headphone so that we can easily work within this area. Now we can remove the inner ring. You can help yourself with a screwdriver. Make sure not to touch or damage the inner part of the headphones under this foam material. Underneath we have the membrane of the headphone, so make sure not to apply any pressure on that spot. Now we can remove the foam material, and with a brush we can remove some dust or dirt that got stuck in between the foam and the speaker. Now we can place the new foam, and I highly recommend you to buy only original replacement parts. That's because parts made with different materials by different companies might have different acoustic properties. So if you want to preserve the frequency response of your headphones, consider buying only original parts. Now we can put the ring back in place, and you'll just need to apply a gentle pressure. Now, brand new parts are hard, so you can put your finger in between this fake leather. It is made out of rubber, so that we can soften the edge, and it will be easier for us to place the ear pad, the ear cushion in its position. Now you can start positioning the ear pad, and you can help with your thumb to keep everything in position. Then with your free hand you can pull on the opposite direction and make sure that everything fit perfectly. Then you can rotate the headphone, use your fingers of your left hand to keep everything in position, and once again with the other hand you can stretch and place the rubber all around the headphone. The last part is the most difficult one, so make sure not to stretch too much the ear pad, and when you have almost finished, you can finally rotate the ear pad, and I'm going to show you how to do so in a few seconds. You can also help yourself with a screwdriver. We're almost there. Now you can rotate the ear pad and it's done. If you want to share how you replace the ear pads for your Beyerdynamic, please write a comment down below. If this video was useful for you, I invite you to leave a thumb up and subscribe to support my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in a future video.